For 7 months, I couldn't put my sentences together because of traumatic brain injury, and I couldn't walk. First place I knew I had to go when I wasn't getting well was Amen Clinic. To hear Dr. Johnson say, "Stella, you have one of the most resilient brains," I just broke down. I knew what the accident had brought to my life, and it was painful. I didn't know if I'd ever walk or talk again. I now have physical evidence of a brain scan that proves that methodology works. Put in the work, put in the time, because it will yield exactly what you need, and that is wholeness and wellness. So when I was introduced with Amen University at a conference with Dr. Carolyn Leaf, Amen University just made perfect sense to me that I'd want to get involved with something like this, and I transitioned my whole business, became a coaching consultant, and everything I do, workplace wellness for business or whether mental health wellness, you can't be a leader in your business without paying attention to how you think. You've got to think how to be a leader before you behave like a leader. My motto is, whatever controls your mind has the power to dictate the outcomes of your life. And that's been the foundation of how I live and how I teach and how I coach and consult for others. The Alumni Group is a very special initiative, I think, for Amen. We are the proof of what is possible and what can be done. And we bring hope to the community at large. I love that we can come together, share each other's stories, celebrate each other's victories, and help manage each other's challenges. With Amen, the common thread is the success, our brain scans. And I love that.